How to mask on edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and an ellipse mask. Connect ellipse to the background and background to media out. Drag to select both ellipse and background, right-click and choose Macro, Create Macro. Expand ellipse, and choose the properties you want to have access to on the edit page. Here I choose Mask, Soft Edge, Invert, Center, Width, and Height. Give it a name, then from File menu choose Save As. Click on Fusion, go to Templates folder, go to Edit folder, go to Effects folder, and save it here. If the Effects folder is not there, create a new folder and name it Effects with S and capital E. Now go back to Edit page. Open up Effects panel and drag an adjustment clip above your video. Find your effect and drag it into the adjustment clip. Select the adjustment clip and in the Inspector, under Video tab, change Composite mode to Darken. Now click on the Effects tab and you can play around with the properties you chose when you created the macro. Also, from the drop-down at the bottom of Viewer, you can select Fusion Overlay and adjust the mask in the viewer.